What's up guys, you're watching another video. Before we get into the vlog today is a very special vlog. I'm so excited for you guys to watch. Before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that today is the merch drop, guys. All the new merch is now live on the website, shopfindingnick.com. You guys see me promoting it all week, but here is the new drop, guys. We got two new hats that I've been rocking every single day. We got the new FN logo, the new Finding Nick logo is so sick. We got the Live Fast hat. We got the Live Fast ski mask. Ski masks are back, guys. We restocked them with the new design. Got the Live Fast t-shirt. We got the Finding Nick. We got the year I was born. This is super freaking clean. Cream t-shirt. It's kind of like an off-white cream color. We got the Finding Nick 97, and of course the Live Fast with the racing flags. This whole collection is based off of my tattoos, the Live Fast tattoos that I got tatted on my knuckles. I think it just fits the lifestyle perfectly. You guys know we love fast cars, we love driving fast, but it's also the lifestyle too. You gotta live fast, don't think too much, just go for things, guys. Live fast, live in the moment, take risks, and go for your goals, guys. I absolutely love this drop. This is one of my favorite drops, if not my favorite merch drop I've ever done so far. It is gonna sell out, guys. We only have 100 t-shirts and 100 hats. That's 50 and 50. So I know it's gonna sell out. The new ski masks are hard. They're very lightweight, so don't worry, they're not hot or anything like that. And as for the shirts and the hats, these are insanely good quality, guys. They're very oversized. They fit super good. You guys have been seeing me rock them all in the vlogs lately. I've literally been wearing these shirts every day. For those of you that wear hats on the daily, you guys know that all hats do not fit properly. But these, I wanted to make sure everything was something that I'd be wearing personally. You guys are gonna be seeing me rock these hats every single day. They're my new favorite hats. They fit me perfectly. You guys know what I mean if you guys wear hats. Most hats don't fit right. Very good quality hats and very quality printed, all embroidered. And for those of you that had questions about the oversized tees, they're not oversized to the point where you need to buy a size down or anything like that. Just buy your size, they're true to size, and they just fit a little bit oversized. You guys will also notice the quality when you guys see it in person. We got the little FN on the inside. Super sick with the size large. And then this is the ski mask. They came out freaking sick. Everyone needs their own ski mask, you know what I mean? The little hit a lick mask, I'm just kidding. They came out fire though. They got the Live Fast print right here, and that's pretty much it. The rest of it's all black. You guys know the ski masks are the wave right now. What I love most about this drop, that it's completely different than my other merch drops, guys. Usually I put a lot of like GTR stuff and like cars on the back of the shirts, but this one's more streetwear. It doesn't even say Finding Nick anywhere, it just says Live Fast on the mask. I think that's sick because now anyone could rock the merch, guys. For the longest, I've been wanting to transition it into a clothing brand, and I think this is sick. This is such a dope start. Like I said, this is all out right now. Shopfindingnick.com. Go grab it before it's all gone, guys. 2 t-shirts, 2 hats, and 1 ski mask. What's up guys, you're watching another video. Literally starting the vlog off where we ended last video in the car on the way home. We're coming back from LA right now. I got like an hour drive home, and then we're busting an hour drive mission to go pick up my GTR. Yes guys, finally the GTR is back. If you guys don't know already, I have a GTR. I didn't sell it. A lot of people were assuming that I sold my GTR to buy my F80. That's not the case. We still got the GTR, and we have an F80 now, and I cannot wait to have both cars together tonight. It's gonna be so sick. It's very late, it's 8 p.m. We're probably not gonna get the car till maybe like 10, maybe 11, watch. Super late, but I'm very impatient. I could wait till tomorrow to pick it up, but I can't wait, guys. I miss my GTR so much. I haven't driven it in 2 months. I'm sure there's gonna be like a break-in period for the transmission, but I just want to get back in the car and just cruise in it, bro. I don't even care to go fast or anything like that. Look at the 350Z. Clean? But yeah, if you guys don't know already, I blew my transmission on my GTR. It happened like 2 months ago, literally before Hawaii too, bro. What ended up happening was I broke a tooth in 4th gear. So in 4th gear, I started hearing like a grinding noise. It started getting worse and worse and worse. It literally sounded so bad, bro. So I knew something was wrong. Thankfully, it was only that gear, but we went ahead and just rebuilt the entire transmission. It's literally a complete brand new GTR transmission. We went stage 1. I could have upgraded to stage 2, but it's very expensive, guys. Stage 2 will be able to handle like more horsepower if I did bigger turbos and stuff like that, which I want to do like later in the future, so I should have done the transmission now. But you know what, I have a lot of plans for the F80. I want to get the E46 back up and running, so we got a lot of stuff to pay for, guys. We ended up doing a stage 1. It should be able to handle the power as it's been. I put a lot of miles on the car since I bought it, so to be quite honest, I'm actually surprised how long that transmission lasted. So now that we have a transmission with pretty much 0 miles, we have a long time before anything happens to this brand new transmission. Nothing should happen. It's completely brand new now. Definitely not gonna be launching my car how I used to. I don't know how I broke that tooth in 4th gear. It could have been from launch controls. It could have been from rolling anti-lag. It could have been maybe from the flames. I don't know, bro. You got rebuilt by Shep Transmissions. If you guys don't know who they are, they make a bunch of crazy transmissions for like very fast GTRs. So we should be good now. The transmission was in good hands. My car was in good hands too. The homie Chris took care of it. He got the transmission swapped in 1 day. Not even a day, bro. Let me show you. Chris posted this 7 hours ago. He got my GTR transmission back on a pallet off a truck 7 hours ago. It only took him about 6 hours maybe, if that. And the transmission is back in the car already, bro. He's already washing it for me, so shout out to him. All right, I'm almost home, but guys, why does it feel like I'm kind of buying a GTR again? Like, I'm so excited to pick up my freaking car. I can't wait. Let's go. Oh my God, it's back. There's no way, guys. This feels so weird, bro. Forgot I even have this car. The GTR is back, guys. Finally. Who remembers when we put these red lights in? I forgot about that. We got the star lights back. Bro, it feels so good to be back in the GTR, guys. I miss this car so much. I miss the stars in the roof. Finally. Oh, this thing sounds sick. I'm so happy right now. All right, guys. Well, let's make the long journey back home. And then once we get home, I want to take pictures of both the cars together. The F80 and the GTR. It's going to be late. It's already like 10 p.m. right now. Barely picking up the car. But yeah, this is lit. I'm so freaking happy, guys. Damn. Bro, it's so sick. I still have all this purple wrap on the car, guys. I still got to do that. We didn't even get to that yet. That's how long the car's been gone. Oh, it feels so good to be in this car, bro. It feels weird, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, the GTR and the F80 are two completely different cars. They feel completely different. There's 4th gear. And it's good. Oh, it's so sick to have this car back, guys. I'm sorry, I probably sound like a little kid. I probably sound like when I first got my GTR, but I'm just so excited, bro. Yeah, I don't think I can sell this car. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think I can sell it. It sounds so good. Yeah, I don't think I can sell it. I literally went 2 months without it, guys, and it felt like I sold it. It felt like it was gone. I know that I would instantly regret it. Like, I'd be so sad. I know I'd want another one. This was kind of like a test. Like, if I did sell it, how would I feel, you know, after a couple months? I'm trying to drive it calmly. You guys don't know how bad I want to freaking step on it and go full speed, but we're gonna try to break it in a little bit. The homie Chris said you gotta break it in a little bit, but everything should be fine, he said. Anyways, I'm just so happy. My GTR is back. The star lights are back. Thank you guys, literally. Without you guys, this literally wouldn't be possible. I know this sounds cheesy, a lot of YouTubers say it, but literally, guys, this wouldn't be possible without you guys. So thank you. I have 2 of my dream cars and it's freaking awesome. Also, everyone who cops the merch today is the drop. I want to say thank you. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this merch shop is pretty much funding the new transmission for this car. So I appreciate it so much for all the love and the support. If you guys do plan on copying something, just know that it's going toward my transmission. So thank you. The GTR's back and we can start making more GTR content. This is insane, guys. This is not to flex, guys, all right? I'm just super proud of myself. I'm super hyped. This is the first time ever having both my keys together too. I don't even have both cars together yet, but hopefully this could be like motivation to you guys to work hard. Anything is possible, I promise, guys. Never thought it would be possible to have a GTR one day, especially at this age, but I've been working super hard and you guys have been seeing it for years now. Whoever been watching my channels for years, like I started multiple businesses. I've done so much different things, bro. Finally now I'm just focusing on the vlogs. I'm trying to daily vlog for you guys. You guys see me putting in the work. I'm posting every single day. Some people message me and they're like, bro, take a day off or take a break, but I don't want to stop, guys. I'm trying to work hard You know, the next key we gotta get is the Lambo key, you know what I mean? Like I said, hopefully you guys can use this as motivation. Get yourself a GTR too. You guys can do it, I promise. Anyone can do it. Just stay focused, bro. Don't let anything in between you and your goals. I know it sounds very cheesy, but literally, like, those times you're not motivated and stuff like that, trust me, I've been there before, guys. I've had a lot of business fail, as you guys have seen in my past. I've seen a lot of friendships fail, like, so much roadblocks, relationships, all kinds of things, guys. After I got the GTR, I started slacking a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I made that goal happen. I got a GTR, worked my ass off, got the GTR, and then after that, I got super comfortable and just didn't really work hard anymore. I started slacking on the vlogs, started focusing too much on other things and relationships and things that shouldn't even matter right now. We're very young right now. You should be focusing on yourself, guys. Building yourself up, making yourself a better person. Don't focus on any of this little nonsense right now. Relationships, all that stuff. Don't worry about none of that. Trust me, we're way too young to be worrying about things like that. Let's set our lives up first, and then later find someone to be in a relationship with, make friends, and all that stuff like that, you know? I mean, hang around like-minded people and just work hard, guys. That's the biggest thing I can say, is just work hard. Anyways, I don't want to bore you guys too much. I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot. I just picked up both keys and it just made me like realize all this stuff. So anyways, let's go home and get the F80. Let's go. The time has come. Oh my God, dude. I have both my cars here. Finally. Finally, they meet. I need to clean up the garage because finally we're gonna have 2 cars in here. For the longest, I've been just putting 1 car in here. For a little bit, there was no car in here. That was depressing. We gotta clean the garage. It's super messy. There's a lot of boxes. Starting from over here, we got all the merch. This is all the merch, guys. Here's all the hats. As you guys can see, though, there's not that many hats, guys. I told you there's 50 at this design and 50 at that design. Only 100 hats. I'm pretty sure they're gonna sell out, bro. I definitely gonna have to make more hats. But right here was the box for the diffuser. We gotta clean that up. Side skirts, those are David's wheels. This is the lip, I believe. The front lip for the F80. I actually gotta organize this whole entire garage. Look, we even got the bow from the from the reveal pictures that we took. Item 3 plates that are gonna go on the F80 soon. We have a lot of stuff to do, guys. Have to clean this whole garage. I'm gonna try to clean this up the best I can. Organize the shelves a little bit with the merch and maybe put the lip and diffuser on there too so no one steps on it. I can finally put both the cars in the garage. I cannot wait to see. Let's just clean it up in 3, 2, 1. And it's clean. Look at this. After like, I'm not gonna lie, probably like 2 hours, guys. Cleaned the entire garage out. But I also sorted out all the merch. So this is all the new merch for the next drop, guys. Organized everything by the size. Then we got all the gray ones and the hats. All my carbon fiber parts that need to go on. Diffuser, front lip, side skirts. The exhaust tips for the GTR I need to put on. A little bit more organized. I still want to get like a shelf for all my tools and stuff like that. I need to start using the pressure washer more too. I need to start using that dirt bike more too. The time has finally come, guys. We're gonna put both cars in the garage right now for the first time. Let's do it. Bro, look at that, guys. Both the cars are in the garage now. Insane, dude. This is the first time ever getting to see both cars together. Damn, now I don't know which one I like driving better, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Just so you guys can see, it's 1:30 in the morning, guys. 1:30 in the morning, and I'm over here moving cars around and cleaning my garage. I even vacuumed my garage, so I'm sorry to my neighbors. I probably woke everybody up. Final question of today's vlog. Comment down below, which one do you guys like better, the GTR or the F80? And why? Also, let me know why you like that one better. Both completely different machines, bro. Literally, all-wheel drive, way faster, almost like 700 horsepower. This one only has like 500 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, stick shift, automatic. Very different cars, bro. Complete different cars. What the? You guys see the spider? Oh, hell no. I almost walked into it. Also, last but not least, I think I want to wrap them the same color too, guys. Comment down below, let me know what color should I do them. And should I match them or should I do completely different wraps on both? I'm not sure if I want to do them separate colors or the same color. You guys let me know. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.